already legalized same-sex marriage, right? And here in the Philippines, it is not yet legalized. I have a very simple question for you. If, though, it is legalized here, would you like to get married?
Well, I wouldn't think twice. Definitely yes. As I mentioned earlier, I am the type of person who wouldn't be able to live without love. And definitely, I would want to live with a person that I love for the rest of my life. And as well, be recognized by everyone else, especially my family and my friends. I know that we live in a very conservative society still. But then again, if we think out of the box, then we should learn how to accept things that may be outside of tradition. Yes, Filipinos are very traditional now, still at this day and age. But if we try to recognize each and everyone else's happiness, then everyone in this, not only in this country, but in the whole world will be happy. I'm not a politician, Carla. I did not study law or anything, but it doesn't have to take a genius to know each of our own rights. But if you look at the existing laws that we have here in the Philippines, we definitely have the right to be married to the person that we love. Why? Because it is in the existing law. You may not know it, but I will be happy to share it to everyone. There is a clause in the Constitution that guarantees this. You can find it in the Bill of Rights, and it's called the right to pursue happiness. And if it's going to make us happy to live with a person and to love that person for the rest of our lives, then I believe it's not only morally right, but it's also politically correct to be in love and to live our lives with a person that we love forever. Thank you so much.
Alright, Ms. Salome, I have another follow-up question. If you are to get married, who would you wear? Harry Santiago, Rahul Laurel, Mateo Salem, or the Herrera brothers? I urge you to choose wisely.
Well, I think this is the most difficult question that I've heard in the pageants right now. I think I would have to choose the person who would give me the first offer. You know, if I'm going to be the first person to be married, or the first transsexual person to be married, I would have to say that I'm entitled to a very special gift, and whoever top designer would give me that gift, I would humbly accept. Thank you so much.